How to install Magento from Softaculous. Magento is a shopping cart software, so scroll down until you find the e-commerce group. Click Magento. This overview page shows you information about the software before installing. Click Install. The default settings here should work for most purposes. If you have multiple domains on one account, you can select where to install. The next two boxes let you set the directory and database name, which will be created upon installation. Enter the username, password, first and last name, and email for the admin account. Click Install. After a moment, the software will be installed. To view your new site, click this link. Here is our new Magento installation, ready for use.